Man, what is going on? How did I get to the range? Heather, why am I tied to this chair? What are you doing with the duct tape and a rag?
Have you read the comments from the last video? You talk too much. They want to hear me, not you.
What?
That should do it. Yep. Shh. You know who I'd like to meet one day? Is the masked YouTuber. He always just wears a mask. Because I feel that I should just be wearing the sunglasses all the time.
You know,
Can relate.
me not being able to talk, you know, that's a violation of my First Amendment right.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are trying to silence me. It's fake news. It's fake news. I'm calling Trump.
Welcome back to my compound. I'm Heather, and today I'm going to find out if self-defense ammo is waterproof, and if it's waterproof, then is our cheap Target ammo waterproof? How long did the ammo sit in water? Well, it sat in the water overnight. So today on the table, I have Monarch Target ammo, 9mm. Then with that, I have the 9mm Speer Gold Dot self-defense ammo. Then for the 45, I have Blazer Full Metal Jacket Target ammo. And I have the Hornady self-defense ammo hollow point for the 45. And then I have, for the 5.56, my AR-15, I have American Eagle. And, you know, since I like the Speer Gold Dot, I have Speer Gold Dot for the hollow point for the AR-15. So, just so you know, I'm not just a Glock fangirl. I also have two Smith & Wessons on the table today. So, I have the 9mm, the Glock, or the Glock, I already have Glock up in the brain here. The Smith & Wesson Shield, 9mm. And I have this beauty here, the 45 Smith & Wesson. And then, of course, on the table, we have the AR-15 that I made this myself on New Year's Eve many years ago. Anyways, enough with me talking about that. Let's see if our defensive ammo is waterproof. Got a blotting towel. First, we have our Target ammo. It's been sitting in the water for a while now. Just blot it off. Get my hair out of my mouth. Okay, first up, the 9mm Target ammo into the Smith & Wesson. There we go. Okay. Well, the Target ammo cycled through. Now let's see if our defensive ammo is waterproof. Quick blot off. Okay. Isn't that how everybody dries their hands off? Okay. All right. Defensive rounds, our hollow point. Here we go. There we go. Looks like the 9mm Full Metal Jacket, Target ammo, and the Speer Gold Dot worked just fine being wet. So now what about the 45? A handful of ammunition here. Bullets, cartridges. Give them a shake off. Dry my hands off again. You know you like that. Okay. Big ol' round. cartridges, bullets. So funny. We talked about this earlier. This is my show. Okay, 45 Full Metal Jacket, target ammo in the Smith & Wesson M&P 45. Here we go. Well, went through without a hitch. So what about our defensive rounds? These are Hornady. Look at those shine. Hey, little quick blot off. The other side, dry this, use this side to dry off now. Slapping these in. And I really want to know, honestly, if the Wolf ammo, the ZSR ammo is waterproof or water resistant. I'm gonna try that. Okay, this is our hollow points in the 45. A little wet. Clear. Those cycled through. It didn't have a problem. Now for the big girl. American Eagle, the 5.56. Quick little rub down. See, it's nice and quiet out here with just me and you. So loading some mags up, shooting some rounds downrange. Isn't it great? I know you'd appreciate it too. Here we go. This was just target ammo. It's downrange. Could shoot this all day. So wet, cheap target ammo in the AR-15 went through. Now for the hollow point or your defensive rounds in the AR-15. There's Speer Gold Dot. You know what gun is on my bucket list? A Gatling gun. Yep. I predict it in my future. Okay, defensive rounds, the 5.56. Here we go. Cycled them through just fine. So found out that the cheap 9mm 45 and the 5.56 ammo, target ammo, wet, cycled through. And then the defensive rounds, the hollow points, did cycle through with them being wet. So that was fun, a nice little experiment for today. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.